Hi all, welcome to my channel Techie Krish. So today I am going to discuss a very prominent word of today's data analysis, today's teaching on and many more. And this word is none other than the collaboration. Collaboration means when many people work together to accomplish a task. So if a task is given to a team, and when you say that the team has to complete this work, it means every member of that team will work on this project and will perform its own task. And so this is called collaboration. In the same way, in my Google Sheet or in any Google application, collaboration suggests that many students can work on the same application, where this is Google Docs, where this is Google Slide, Google Sheets, Google Sites. So Google gives the application which are embedded with collaboration or having the property of collaboration, means the entire data is stored in the cloud, and everybody who is using Google products is having a Google ID. On the basis of that ID, the people can collaborate. So I can share my data with the person whom I want that he or she should collaborate with me, or the multiple students are given a common task so that they can work all together on this task. So similarly, I am having a sheet, Google Sheet, and I want that people must collaborate on the sheet because there are so many teachers. And suppose I am discussing a result set. So in that result set there are so many subjects, so I want every teacher should its own subject marks. So to fill the sub marks by the individual teacher, I'll have to share this sheet or my result sheet with the people, so people can all together can work on the same sheet in the real time. And so this is what a collaboration word is. So today this word is very prominent, and other than this is very secured, means there are so many mode of rights, whether you want that the person should see only, view only, or the person can comment only, and or the person can edit the document only. So this is what collaboration is. And so suppose, so let's move to our Google Sheet before it takes time, and I'm not going to ruin the time of my viewers. So let's move to our Google Sheet. So see here, this is the Google Sheet, and I want that this is the column CSIP. This is the column, and I want the person should fill it. The respective teacher should fill this column. Then what should I do? I will apply, or I will share this sheet with the people. How to share this sheet with the people? So here this is a word share. This time this is locked, private to me only. Only I can edit it. But if you want that couple of people or bunch of people can edit this, you will have to share this sheet with some rights. So what are the rights? Suppose I want to share this time. This is restricted, means I can add it only because I am the owner. I am the owner, and I want the teacher should one teacher should add the sheet. So I'll give the name here. And what is the name? Suppose I give the name. So as soon as I mention the sheet with the collaborator, a drop down list is available here which provides or which grants the right to this user or to this collaborator whether this collaborator can view the sheet or comment the sheet or can edit the sheet. And suppose the editor right is only right which provides the right which provides the power to change the data or edit the sheet. So over here I'm giving the sheet editor right to this person, and I can write the message also. Sir, please fill the marks of CSIP in the sheet provided. So I am going to give the right to this person, and from here I can click send. And as soon as I click send, the sheet is shared with that person. Now in the inbox of that person, this sheet is visible. Now I'm going to see whether this sheet is available or not. Okay. So see here, I'm going to see the mail. When I click the mail, I see this thing, and there's a notification that sir, please fill the marks CSIP in the sheet provided. So when I open, since I have the right to edit the sheet, now I can fill the marks. Oh, the sheet is locked or protected. So what I'll do, I'll unprotect the sheet. Since already saved, already protected, so I'm going to delete, remove, remove. Okay. Remove, remove. So now I am going to the person. Now I can fill the marks. Now I can fill the marks and so on. Okay, none other than the person I shared the sheet with can edit this sheet. So this way we can say this is the collaboration on the sheet. So hope you understood the concept of collaboration and understood the meaning of collaboration. And also, since it is the secured sheet, and if somebody wants to edit this, cannot edit until and unless rights are given to edit it. Otherwise, the person can view or comment only. So I think you understood the concept. So if you understood the concept, kindly share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it so that new videos when created, you get the notification of those videos. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.